You are discussing and setting that performance goal for the coming month with one of your team member. You plan to finish 10 items. The team member is in agreement on the goals, but you notice his voice and energy levels are low. This is not usual behavior for the team member. Last time the person completed 8 items. Suspecting the team member may not be comfortable with the new goals. What should you do next? So what we are learning is the context is supporting team performance or team members performance. The context is that you are doing frequent one-on-one conversation, a feedback conversation with the person, where we are reviewing what was done in the past and you are planning what should we do next. So you are setting up performance goals for the upcoming 1 month. And the context is that you are putting little higher target than last time, and you see the person is in agreement and the person's energy level is low, so that you are getting non-verbal clues. So the non-verbal clues are saying something is wrong. You are suspecting that, but the verbal clues are saying everything is good. So that seems to be the context is we convert it in our project management task language. Let's see the option. Ask the team member to think about the goals of 10 items. So this looks like I sense the non-verbal glow and I interpreted them that this seems to be a problem. And then I want to check, are you sure? Do you really want to do this? That's an option A. Yeah. Option B, share what you observed based on voice and energy and ask if something needs to be discussed. So little related to the option A, but the difference between option A and option B is option A, you are learning and then you are analyzing and you are acting based on your assumption. You saw the non-verbal clues, you made an interpretation out of it, and you are going ahead and proposing maybe you should do this. You are acting, you are reconfirming that 10 items or not. In the option B, you are learning, you are acknowledging the non-verbal clues, but you are validating again. You are bringing those things on the table, you are sharing what you have learned and checking if the team member has something to say because you are observing something going wrong. So you can say, I see that your voice level is going down, and I am sensing that maybe there is some information which I'm missing. Is there any lack of confidence? Do we need to discuss this in little more detail so that we have more confidence on achieving these 10 items? So I am sensing, but I am revalidating. And seems to be out of these two options, B is looking great until unless we get a better option than this. Let's see option C. Give the goal as same as the last time to boost the confidence. So more or less the C is also like A. Yeah. In the case of A and C is both way you are seeing that this person is not in line with what he's speaking. He's saying something and he's feeling something else. You interpret that. And based on that, you are taking your own calls. Yeah. Sometimes you are saying, okay, let's go with the past one because internally I'm thinking this guy can't handle it. Or I'm saying, well, are you sure you want to do the 10? Still, I'm internally thinking this guy can't handle it. Better I validate. Yeah. Option B is saying you think, you interpret, but you validate what you are thinking. Option D, postpone the meeting for a day to finalize the discussion. So this is also acting based on you are sensing. You are saying that this person is not sure. Yeah, probably I need to give him some time and probably we will discuss it later. Yeah, so you acted upon what you see in the body language to give him more time. So overall, we can put this question again in the context of acknowledge, analyze, act as well. So the option B safely tells me that I need to acknowledge what signals I am getting, safely tells me that we need to do further analysis of those signals. In this particular case, I alone can't do that analysis. So I need to involve that person because the non-verbal clues are coming from him. And then once we are discussed it, then we'll figure it out what do we do next. Act will come later. And since I have a nice option which focuses on acknowledgement only, then I can go with the option B rather than thinking about the risky option which requires me to make some assumptions.